Alright, we are SBF flashing, and I am going to unplug my Droid X while in flash. So you can see we already are at 26%, 27%, and here we go. We can see that my device is red. Supposedly if I unplug this right now, it will brick my phone. Nothing's happening. We will unplug it, the battery. Attempt to boot the phone up again. It says code corrupt. That's something new I've never seen before. Shows still the 3004. Let's see here. Hold the power button on again. Connect to USB data cable. Alright, well I will film later on me trying to actually flash this again, so stay tuned.